During World War II, a bomber pilot was flying on a mission when his plane was hit by anti-aircraft fire, causing it to spin out of control toward the ocean below.
He later said, "I began to pray, but that was the last I knew until I came to in the water. I was in bad shape. My leg was gone below the knee, and I knew that I would bleed to death in a few minutes. Then, something nudged me. It was a piece of plywood with the plane's first aid kit on it. I got the tourniquet out of it, and my co-pilot helped me to get the thing on and stop the bleeding. Another plane came along and dropped a life raft, and 4 hours later we were picked up by a rescue boat. If you don't call that a miracle, I would like to know what is." God answered my prayer.
In Jeremiah 33:3, the Lord says, "Call to me, and I will answer you, and show you great and mighty things which you do not know." The words great and mighty may also be translated inaccessible, fenced in, or difficult. When we pray according to God's will, He may choose to do that which the world with its limited perspective deems to be hedged in by the impossible. But many of us have proven that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think. Ephesians 3:20.